Hello, I'm William Vinson. YesWilliam.com is my blog. Go.yeswilliam.com is my website. This time I want to talk about backlinks. What are backlinks in SEO and what are the advantages of backlinks? A backlink is one of the most used words in the world of search engine optimization. Many bloggers who have only recently started a blog or a website often struggle to understand what the term backlink means. Now, I've had this problem myself, and I've been researching it to find out. I hope to offer you an understanding of what backlinks are, why they're essential to SEO, and why they're important for your online success. You'll also learn how to analyze the backlinks of your competitors and how to acquire them for your site. Let's get started. Backlinks are incoming links to a web page. When a web page links to any other page, it's called a backlink. In the past, backlinks were the major metric for the ranking of a web page. A page with a lot of backlinks tended to rank higher on all major search engines, including Google. This is true to a large extent still. We'll give you a glossary of common terms related to backlinks that you should know. Link juice. Now, you're going to run across these terms when you get started studying backlinks. Link juice. When a page links to any of your articles or website's homepage, it passes link juice. This link juice helps with the ranking of the article and also improves the domain authority. As a blogger, you can stop passing link juice by using a no-follow tag, a no-follow link. When a website links to another website but the link has a no-follow tag, that link does not pass link juice. No-follow links are not useful concerning the ranking of a page as they do not contribute anything. In general, a webmaster uses the no-follow tag when he or she is linking to an unreliable site. In general, a webmaster uses the no-follow tag when he or she is linking to an unreliable site. A do-follow link. By default, all the links that you add to a blog post are do-follow links, and these pass link juice. Link root domains. This refers to the number of backlinks coming into your website from a unique domain. Even if a website has linked to your website 10 times, it will only be considered one linked root domain. Low quality links. Low quality links are the links that come from harvested sites, automated sites, spam sites, or even porn sites. Such links do far more harm than good. There is one reason you should be careful when buying backlinks. This is one reason you should be careful when buying backlinks. Internal links. Links that go from one page to another within the same domain are called internal links. The process itself is referred to as internal linking or interlinking. Anchor text. Text that is used for hyperlinks is called anchor text. Anchor text backlinks work great when you're trying to rank for particular keywords. The advantages of backlinks in SEO. Before I talk about the advantages of backlinks, you need to know that much has changed concerning backlinks in the past couple of years. There was a time when low-quality links helped in ranking a site, but ever since Google rolled out Penguin algorithm, the whole landscape of backlinking has changed. It's important to have backlinks from quality sites, and those backlinks should be contextual. If, for example, you have a site about fish and you're creating links from other niches about monkeys, these links will be of no use. Your goal should be to get links from authorized and relevant sites. So let's take a look at why it's important for you to create backlinks for your site. Backlinks help you in getting better search engine rankings. Important note to remember, SERP means search engine results page. If your content is getting links from other sites, that content will naturally start to rank higher in the search results. If it isn't, then you need to get proactive and build them. Your goal should be to create links to individual pages along those leading to your homepage. Search engine bots discovered new web pages by following backlinks from existing web pages. Only when they've discovered your site can they crawl your site effectively. It will be more difficult to search engine bots to find your site if they do not have any backlinks. Especially for a new website, it's important to get backlinks as they will help in the faster discovery and indexing of your site. One of the major benefits of backlinks is that they help get referral traffic. Basically, a person who is reading a post may click on links in the post to find out more about the topic at hand. Since people click on links voluntarily, they're usually more targeted and are less likely to leave the page fast, which would be, in effect, a low bounce rate. Usually, referral traffic is targeted and has a low bounce rate. So how to get started in backlinks? So now you understand what the term backlink means as it relates to SEO and why they're important. So let's learn a few simple techniques for acquiring new backlinks. One important factor that you need to keep in mind about backlink SEO is that it is not the number of backlinks which matters, but the quality of the backlinks. If you are using some paid services to get links to your site, you're likely going to be penalized by Google's Penguin algorithm. Fiverr, you can buy backlinks on Fiverr. They'll sell you 50 of them for about $7. Evidently, it might not be the best thing. So here's a question. What are some ways to get quality backlinks for your blog? You could write some awesome articles. Use broken link building method. Replicating your competitors' backlinks. Create cornerstone articles, pillar articles. Start guest blogging and submit to web directories. If you want people to link to you, you need to give them a reason. And the best reason is an awesome article. If your content is helpful and enjoyable, people will be happy to link to it. So how do you create an awesome article? Here are some tips on how to get started doing that. Solve a problem. Everybody's got a problem. Most people read content because they're looking for a solution. So you make sure you articulate the exact problem and teach them how to fix it. You've heard that a lot, haven't you? Make your content easy to read. Write it in short, simple sentences. Make the article look less chunky by adding formatting, headings, images, and other multimedia. Have a unique angle. There's so much content in the internet today. How will your article stand out? There's a lot of noise. You got to get past the noise. Build authority into your article. People want to learn from people with authority on the topic. If you're not one, you can always interview or quote experts. Once you've published your awesome post, it's time to send some outreach emails. A good group of people to reach out to are those who have published articles on the same topic. Since they've written on that topic before, there is a higher probability that they'll be interested in seeing your post. To find these people, simply enter the topics of your article. Remember to try variations into Google. Collect the list of articles that appear in the search engine's results page. Alternately, you could use a tool like BuzzSumo. You remember we've talked about that before too. You could start guest blogging. Guest blogging is a strategy where you write posts for other people's blogs instead of your own. How does this work in terms of link building? In a nutshell, in exchange for a free article, the blog owner will usually allow 1 to 2 backlinks to your site within the post. One big challenge with guest blogging is finding sites to guest blog for. To increase your chances of being accepted, you can look for sites that are already accepting guest posts. These sites typically have a page called contributors, like a Write for Us or Contribute page. To find these sites, you can use Google's advanced search operators. Some search operators you can use are your topic. From there, simply follow the instructions and submit a pitch. Another route you can take is to look for guest blogging opportunities in Ahrefs Content Explorer. That's Ahrefs Content Explorer. The reason is this: if the website has written about a topic before, they clearly have an interest in it. Thus, they may be willing to accept a good guest post about that topic, even if they don't have a Write for Us page. I'm showing you this picture of Ahrefs, or however you say it, site on most popular content for blogging, so that you can see what it's supposed to look like. Most blogs showcase their best articles on their site. You might be new, but your competitors aren't. This means 2 things. They've likely gotten plenty of backlinks, and they've done some link building on their own so that they can rank better. You can use this to your advantage. Find out how they've been acquiring their links and replicate them. To do this, you'll have to use a tool in offer. It's called Link Intersect. This handy tool tells you who's linking to multiple competitors, but not to you. The web is constantly evolving. Pages change, move, or get deleted all the time. Broken links are links to pages that no longer exist. Nobody likes that. Webmasters and researchers hate broken links because they contribute to poor user experience, but they still exist because webmasters are busy. It takes a lot of effort to continuously rid your site of broken links. This strategy takes advantage of that. The concept is simple. You find a broken link. You recreate the dead content. You reach out to people linking to that dead center and ask them to link to your recreated version. The most important part of this strategy is finding the right broken content to recreate and pitch. To do this, you'll need a tool that allows you to analyze backlinks. Enter the domain of an authoritative competing site into Effort's Site Explorer, then go to the Best by Backlinks report and filter by HTTP 404 not found. See if I can get all these pages in there. As you can see, the second page of this screenshot is dead, but previously had 113 follow backlinks linking to it. That's a great opportunity. The Wayback Machine tells me it used to be a post about the difference among metaphors, similes, and analogies. Now all you have to do is recreate this content and tell all 113 people to link to you instead. Submit to web directories. Submitting your blog to web directories is another way to get backlinks. With that said, the method is not very popular these days because finding a legal web directory is not easy. You must especially avoid those web directories that ask you to create a backlink to their website to get your website into their directory. Also important, if you're using any automatic direct submission tactics, stop doing that right away. Automatic website submissions will cause your blog to appear as spam, and it can cost you a lot in terms of your domain authority or even the complete removal of your blog from search engines. I hope this has helped you to understand a little bit about the basics of backlinks and SEO and why you should start using backlinks on your website or your blog. Have a great day, and please remember to like, subscribe, comment, share, and ring the bell. 5 things now. Y'all have a great day, okay?